slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play.
Welcome back to Zubair Creative Studio. If you're using Windows 7 and struggling to install Visual Studio Code, this video is exactly for you.
A lot of people think VS Code doesn't work on Windows 7 anymore, but that's not completely true.
In this video, I'll show you the correct way to download and install VS Code step by step without any confusion. So make sure to watch till the end. What is VS Code? Before we start, let me quickly explain. Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code, is a free and powerful code editor used for web development, programming, and front-end design. It supports HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and many other languages. Now let's jump straight into the process. First of all, let me show you my PC details. I'll open my computer, then Properties, so you can clearly see that I'm using Windows 7. This is not fake, and I'm not using any trick or emulator. I'm showing this because many people say VS Code doesn't work on Windows 7, but I want to prove it practically. Now, open Google Chrome or any browser you like. In the search bar, type VS Code version for Windows 7. You'll see multiple results. I've also given the direct download link in the video description to save your time. Now click on the first website. This is the official Visual Studio Code website. Once the website opens, you'll notice something important. The latest version of VS Code does not support Windows 7, but don't worry. Here you can download an older stable version that works perfectly on Windows 7. Scroll down and look for Windows x64 or x86, depending on your system. In my case, I'm using x64, so I'll click on x64 and start the download. Wait until the download is complete. After the download is finished, open the setup file. Click Yes when Windows asks for permission. Now simply follow the installation steps exactly like I'm doing. Keep the default settings, click Next, and then click Install. It will take a few seconds. Once it's done, click Finish. Now let's open Visual Studio Code. As you can see, VS Code is installed successfully and opens without any error. This confirms that VS Code works on Windows 7. Now click on Open Folder. Select the folder where you want to work on your project. Inside this folder, create your files like index.html. Write a small piece of code. Now open your HTML file in the browser. You can see your code running and showing output. This may not be a full website yet, but for beginners and new developers, this is a big first step in website development. So this is how you can download and install VS Code on Windows 7 and start building your first website. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Zubair Creative Studio, and comment below if it worked for you. Thanks for watching.
Everything